MomDas and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. Today's video is a decor video for fall and is taking part in a challenge being hosted by Holiday Cookie Diva. She has given a challenge to create a tablescape for fall using plaid, checks, gingham and all these things. So let's decorate using plaids and checks and ginghams. And I'm going to decorate a side table. Don't miss out on visiting Tracey's Holiday Cookie Diva channel. She's a fun person, a very nice person and a wonderful DIYer. I'll put a link to her channel and to the playlist created by her for this challenge. And if you have yet not subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button given below the video and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. Let's begin decorating. I'm going to decorate my side table for the plaid tablescape for fall challenge. And here I have used a stole of mine which is in fall colored checks as a tablecloth, and it's standing next to the plaid or the checked curtains. So let's begin. If you haven't seen my DIY in which I did this planter, I changed an ugly mug into this beautiful anthropology inspired planter. Do check my video on the anthropology hack.